and pack all items needed for easy assembly. Align the guardrails with the holes. Place gaskets on both sides. And tighten with screws and nuts using wrenches. Place the two slat hooks of the bedboard on the upright columns and lock them in place. Position the mattress cover with the opening upwards and towards the head sponge mat. The first step is to install the middle sponge mat near the foot. The second step is to install the other sponge mat in the center. Finally, install the head and foot sponge mats on both sides of the bed. Align bed tray hook with the hole. Insert screws through both the top and bottom holes. Then tighten them with a screwdriver. The V-pole can be installed at all four corners. Wire storage hooks. Assembly complete. Here is the final look.